Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your TM31 are making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to wear and tear on the blade assembly or perhaps an obstruction within the bowl. If left unattended, this noise can lead to further damage, potentially affecting motor performance and resulting in costly repairs. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement blade assembly, and possibly some lubricant for the components. Now, let's get started on the repair. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged from the power source for safety. Carefully remove the mixing bowl from the base. Next, you will need to unscrew the base of the bowl. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove the screws, taking care not to strip them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off to expose the blade assembly. Here, you should be able to see the blade component that is causing the grinding noise. To remove the blade assembly, grip it firmly and twist it counterclockwise. If it feels stuck, try applying a bit of lubricant around the edges to help ease it out. Remember to disconnect any cables attached to the blade assembly, being careful not to damage them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the assembly is out, take your new blade assembly and insert it carefully, twisting it clockwise to secure it in place. Reconnect any cables you may have disconnected, ensuring they are seated properly. Now, it's time to reattach the base of the mixing bowl. Line it up with the screws and tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this could lead to damage. Finally, place the mixing bowl back onto the base and plug your Thermomix back in. Give it a test run to ensure that everything is working smoothly and the grinding noise is gone. To prevent this problem from occurring again, make sure to clean your Thermomix regularly and avoid overloading the bowl. This will help maintain the integrity of the blade assembly and prolong the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.